In OSM, to go to a specific location, write the location's name on the search bar on top left and hit enter or click on go. It may present you with several options. Choose the one you are looking for. If you want to find your current location, use the show my location option on the map panel here. You must allow OSM to access your location for this to work. This is not always accurate, however, it should get you closer to where you are. To move around the map, press and hold left mouse button and drag. You also can use keyboard's arrow keys to navigate, which is quite intuitive. Use left arrow key to move left, up arrow to move up, and so on. To move faster with keyboard, hold down the shift key while pressing the arrow keys. To make sure keyboard shortcuts will work, left click on the map first. If you are somewhere on the map but you do not know where, click on the where is this option beside the search bar and it will give you an idea.